Hey guys, welcome to Halo's Playtime. Today we visit a local community garden. Come along with us while we smell the roses.
Yeah. Oh, keep going.
Mom, is it this way?
No, we're gonna keep going.
What?
Yeah. Keep going, honey. Go ahead.
We had a chopstick, so we helped it. Well, we had to help it.
What do you think about this, Halo? This is a bamboo forest, Halo. Come on, you wanna walk through? Come on. Look up. Look up. Isn't that cool? Look how cool that is.
Wow!
This is the bamboo. This is bamboo. That's bamboo.
Mom, let's go.
Wait, let's go this way first, honey. I want you to walk through this way. 'Cause I want to get some footage for YouTube. Go ahead. Come on. Okay, let's walk through together. Come on. Okay. Careful, careful. Take your time. Okay. Careful, take your time. Careful, careful. Take your time. Take your time. What do you think about that? Look at me, Halo. Do you think that's cool, Halo? Come on, Halo. Come on, go through here. Come on, Halo. Come on, I'm right behind you. Don't touch them, please. Don't touch.
I saw a bug.
Yeah, do you think those are the pollinators?
That better not be freaking. Hi, my name is Halo. What's your name? Your name is Buggy? Alright, I'll call you Buggy. Yeah,
Don't touch it. Okay.
I'll call her Buggy.